The Streamline Parts Distribution solution from Salesforce helps manufacturers grow revenue through quick and easy transactions with Salesforce B2B Commerce and create seamless digital buying experiences for their customers. You can give your customers a tailored experience, including personalized contracts and pricing, so they can order products online without needing to talk to a sales rep, and easily update your product catalog with an integration to your existing systems or directly within Salesforce. Personalize your storefront to display relevant products or offer customized promotions on specific items. Then create upsell opportunities through intelligent product recommendations, volume pricing, and bundling, while showing customers interactive diagrams of products so they know which parts they need. You can also help them customize products online with a 3D configurator available from the AppExchange. Then, give customers self-service options like viewing order history, status, placing reorders, updating existing orders, or tracking shipments. When an order is placed, the MuleSoft Anypoint platform links your order management system to your ERP, automatically updating inventory information, while Einstein Analytics gives intelligent dashboards with a complete view of your business to help with sales forecasting and demand planning. And if any product issues arise, Service Cloud Einstein helps agents manage the service process with a 360-degree view of the customer, while partners in the AppExchange let you automate the complete warranty, claims, review, and approvals processes. Visit Trailhead to get started and see how manufacturers can transform the customer experience with B2B commerce. Blaze your trail with Salesforce.